Because she go see how the baby can't move unless she did it. But chat for real still, if I'm a youth still, man, that's everyone play the part of me play, man. No cap, bro. But she had 2 girl baby, me have me 2 points right now, you know. But me want to be the mentor and for them life, you know, you see it? Yeah. 101, what go on? Pick up yourself in 101. Daughter, come here now, come here. Come here, come show them your face. Daughter, yeah. Hi, everybody. This is Nana. Tell him your name. Tell him your name, baby. Tell him your name, pretty girl.
Kamalia.
What your name? What's your name?
Kamalia.
You hear that chat? And what is daddy name?
Eh?
What is daddy name?
Kumali.
Who name Kimali? Who name? Hey, don't call me no Kimali. I am your father. Say daddy.
Daddy.
Give me a hug. Pretty daughter, yeah. Pretty daughter. Chat me and say, look girl, my daughter. And everything good. See our sister, yeah. Come, no really want that. Come on upon the media every time. I cuss, baka, you see me? I want to do the right thing, bro. If I'm a youth, I step forward. If I'm a youth, I step back. That way I pray. Yeah, facial hair is on my face. No, touch my ear on my face. Show them my facial hair them. No, my ear on my face. Up on my face, show them. Touch it now. See, yeah, you see that?
Yeah.
Tell them say a big man this.
A big man this.
Big man this.
A man this.
Oh. So the man have some of his responsibility.
Responsibility.
Oh. Yeah. Oh. What is under your nose? She out. She out now, chat. I'm phone there 2% now. I'm charge, I'm mash up. Even Lance say, man, come give me a link. I didn't my way upon. I get a charge and active up. You know, chat, put up for real, man. If you really didn't need a little girl, you even now make no whole heap of money, bro. You know? If me even make a bill to the week, we can send a 20 or 30 or go give her. You know them really? I 3 of them now. But I just show you, bro. So I just need that show to like how I can do anything for your local girl there. Because I know she and my one. Me make she. Me.